Hello YouTubers, it's your boy Bob said TechH back again to give you a video on how to access free internet using VPN Tomato. And this is the only VPN which doesn't require you to know how to set up the VPN. All you have to do is to download the application and just select the servers that you want to use, and that's it. So that's the VPN that I'm going to show you, so stay tuned. Anyway guys, we're back. So I think by now you're familiar with the whole drill. Play Store, download the application that you are going to be using, which is a VPN Tomato. So make sure you download the correct version or correct application. Just search VPN Tomato and download the one by the name Free VPN Tomato. Fastest blah 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 blah. Don't mind about that. Just download this application. So if you have downloaded the application, go ahead and click open. So as you can see, this is the application that I'm already using. I'm already connected to VPN Tomato. So let me first stop the application first and show you the whole show on how to connect. Okay, so go ahead, open the application. Then after you get to this point, go to the menu, then click on change VPN region, and this is where you select the server that you want to use to connect or to access free internet using VPN Tomato. So select any of the servers, but the best servers that I would recommend you to use are the ones from United States. These are the servers that I've been using to connect on one tap. So select any server from any of these regions shown here. Then after you do that, go ahead and click on go. Just wait for a few seconds. As you can see, the VPN is already establishing a connection. Let me add time. And just like that, for folks, we are connected to VPN Tomato, and now we can go online to whatever you want to do. I think that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you click the like button and